Hello. I have the stuff known as the blip blap juice. Do you want the blip blap juice? Yes, of course I would love the blip blap juice. Everyone knows the blip blap juice is God. Some even worship it. I know that was a silly question. Would you like the blip blap juice? Like I said, of course, you would like, I would like, not you would like. I don't know. Would you like the blip blap juice? Hey, I am the shopkeep, not you. SHOPKEEP, SHMOPKEEP. Would you like the blip blap juice? Sure, I'll have some blip blap juice. Yes, I love the blip blap juice. I know, so do I. The blip blap juice is greatness. Now we shall worship the blip blap juice.